Hi, I'm Andrew McElroy, Chief Fire Officer, Cork County Council. We currently have almost 250 firefighters working in the county in 20 stations. We're here today at Clonakilty Fire Station, which is a new station just opened by the Minister of State today, which is excellent.
So my name is Ronan Archibald. I'm a station officer here in Clonakilty. So it's a retained station with 12 in the crew. So it was myself, a sub-officer, 2 driver mechanics, and then there's 8 firefighters.
We'd respond to in the region of 3,000 incidents kind of a year. Now we've 4 divisions. We've our headquarters in County Hall, our own building there, and we have buildings in Mallow, Middleton and Bantry. So we're divisionalised because we're quite a large county.